Alright, N0WAR here, gonna finish up this video. Little experiment in the shack. Icom 71 hundo. Right there and right there. Velcroed on is the Verizon jetpack. Astron, or no, it's a PowerWorks 30 amp switcher power supply, nextion display. Behind it is a dual spot. So right now I'm on XRF 303 Delta. So check out 303 Delta, 303 Bravo's Mountain Skynet here in Colorado. We're on DMR here. It's talk group Colorado HD 31088. Please join us. Hotspot discussion all the time. So yeah, I just decided to throw this stuff in here. And right now we got Jimmy and Brian, W1CAT and N7VDR yapping back and forth. It's a 3.2 inch nextion display. And just got the Pi-Star dashboard, just got it configured on the iPad. So just enjoying it. D-Star. You can also get in here on Fusion. And I'm just hand holding this. So just wanted to do an update of the setup in the box here. So you can use this on D-Star, DMR, whatever. I'm just going to dedicate this one for D-Star use on the icom 7100. So there's a nano router in there, a BI7JTA dual spot with a Pi-Star hat on it, and there's a rig runner in the back there. I guess you saw the other part of the video at the beginning. So anyway, that's it. Little setup here in the shack, N0WAR. Thanks for watching, and you gotta love ham radio. Alright, N0WAR, Aaron here in the shack doing a little quick video of the 7100 here hooked up to a D-Star, linked over to DMR. So I'm going to try to hand hold this, do a quick and dirty little video before I put it in the box. It's a little 2U box. Is it focused? Now we are. Nano router, nextion display that is mounted up with a little metal L bracket. There's just Velcro on there. It's a BI7JTA dual spot board, rig runner, and the 7100 radio, and the Verizon jetpack is hooked up. So we just test it out here. Terrible video. Let me focus. Whoops. Okay, that was through D-Star. And now we're on DMR, and it'll come out here on the D-Star. 0WAR, just doing a quick check YouTube video. Please disregard. Now I'm going to try it on the D-Star.
Loud and clear. 7VDR out.
There's Jimmy. Alright, thanks for the quick test. You're on the video in N0WAR test. So, just quick and dirty little YouTube video.
I knew it. That's why I keep it. That's 7VDR.
Jimmy made the video. We'll see what this looks like. It looks shaky as hell in 0 WAR.